In the shadowy pages of history lies the Great Emu War of 1932, when emus challenged a nation's resolve. What began as a pragmatic crop protection mission spiraled into a surreal clash of tactics, terrain, and stubborn endurance. The campaign sees soldiers pursuing fast, elusive emus across the plains, only to be outmaneuvered by the birds' sudden bursts and the harsh landscape. The episode reveals how logistics, morale, and adaptation trumped brute force in an encounter few expected to end in victory or defeat. Today, this quirky chapter reminds historians that unlikely battles can teach serious lessons about hubris and resilience.